Welcome everybody to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the bumper caps on your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper. Now before we get started, check out the chalkboard behind me. PopUpCamperPro.com is now where you can find official chalk art merchandise created by yours truly. So you've asked for it, it's available. We've got mugs, prints, shirts, lots of cool things to choose from at PopUpCamperPro.com. Do you have a great camping picture? Please send it to me. Your picture might just end up on the chalkboard next. Now the bumper caps we'll be replacing today are found on Coleman and Fleetwood pop-up campers produced in the 2000s. They start on 10-foot and larger box size units. There's two different sizes in this style of cap. There's a larger version and the smaller version. Let me show you how to choose the correct one and install it. Here are the tools that we will use today. To choose the correct cap size, just simply measure the height of the bumper. 4 1/4 inch tall bumpers use a larger kit, 3 1/4 use a smaller one. Step 1, remove the top rivet. Choosing a drill bit just slightly larger than the inside of the rivet head, drill it out. Repeat for the bottom rivet. There's a small screw to remove. A 5/16 socket will remove this fastener and allow the cap to come off the camper. There's 2 more rivets to drill out, holding the inside bracket on. With your new cap, reinstall the inside bracket with the mounting tab in the correct orientation. Install pop rivets. Place the cap back on the camper and reinstall your screw. Now replace the pop rivets on the top and the bottom of the cap. And the cap's installed. This is a simple, easy, do-it-yourself job. I give it 1 out of 5 hammers. You can find these caps and lots of more great products at ColemanPopUpParts.com. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell to be alerted when new content is available, and I'll see you at the campground.